Please never buy fertilizer from the market again, because today I am going to show you how to make a powerful fertilizer using kitchen waste. As you can see here, I have taken some onion peels and a piece of watermelon rinds, banana peels and also some pineapple rinds. You can use any type of kitchen waste to produce powerful organic fertilizer. I have also got a piece of a pomegranate peel as well. Okay, now there is another ingredient also remaining. That is nothing other than sugar. I am going to take about 50 grams of sugar for the preparation of this fertilizer. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to make the banana peels and the watermelon rind into smaller pieces. You should chop down the larger peels into smaller pieces using a scissor, or you can do it by using your bare hands as well. Okay, now our raw materials for the preparation of the organic fertilizer is ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take a good sized container and I will add all the materials which I have collected into this container and also the sugar. After adding the sugar, you can add about half liter of water into the container. You have to add the water according to the raw materials which you have taken. And after adding the water into the container, you have to place this container aside for 3 days. The sugar will help the fermentation process in the container. That will make a good liquid fertilizer during these 3 days. Remember to cover the top of the container using a cloth. And now I am going to place this container in a shaded area for 3 days. And I will show you how the solution will be looking like after 3 days and how to separate the fertilizer and how to use it. After 3 days, you can see that the solution will be changed into slightly brownish color. Now all the organic materials will be extracted into the solution by the results of the fermentation process by the bacteria. Okay, now what you should do is you have to filter this content out into a separate container. After filtering these contents, you will get a powerful and effective liquid fertilizer that will be work perfectly on any type of your plants, and I will show you how to apply this fertilizer on your plants. Okay, now our liquid fertilizer is ready. You can see that the solution is brownish in color. What you have to do is you have to directly use this solution to your plants during each 15 days. I will show you how to apply this. Okay, this is my strawberry plants. I am going to apply it on them, and I will apply it on my aloe vera plants too, and it will give amazing results. If you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section, and if you like this video, please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more videos just as like this. Once again, thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day ahead.